everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samuel and today we are going to be looking at how to make the Instagram logo animation that you saw at the beginning. So let's get into the video. First of all, you open up After Effects, create a new project, make a new composition and click OK. Now, first of all, let's create a solid for the background. Make it black. I'm going to create another solid. I want to use this one now to fade into the background black solid so I can make a form of a gradient. So, new solid. I'll make this solid white. Now, what we're going to do now, we are going to draw a layer mask on it. Click and drag to have it about this way. Now you open up your max properties and increase the max feather. Now next, let's import our logo. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to scale it down. So click on the layer, click S, reduce the scale until you have something like somewhere around here. Now decompose this layer and back to move all attributes, layer, click OK. Now, next we are going to do is we're going to duplicate the layers. Hide the second layer. Now for the first layer, go to Effects and Presets. Put your time, go to 2 seconds view timeline and reduce the view. Go to Effects and Presets and type CC ball action. Then you will apply it on your first logo. Now go to the rotation axis, change it to Z-axis. You create 3 keyframes, one on scatter, one on rotation, and the last one will be on ball spacing. Now the only thing I'm going to change here is the grid spacing. Change this 5 to 0.5. Now let's go to the beginning of our timeline. On scatter here, you increase it to 400. Change the rotation to -1. Come to the beginning here and change the green spacing to 0. Now let's play it back and see what we have. Second we are going to do is we are going to go to this point in time, 1 second timeline. Let's take a keyframe for the ball size at 100. Move to the beginning of the timeline and increase the size to 100. Let's see it all together. And that is looking amazing. So let's hide the first layer, shrink it down, and open the second layer. Now for the second layer, we're going to add an effect, CC lens. So apply it to the second layer. At the end of the animation of the first layer, make a keyframe for size. We give it a style and scale down to them. Move a second, do timeline, increase the size to 100. Okay, to about 400. Let's just see. So let's go to 300. let's play through it. That's looking cool. Now I'll hide the first layer. Let's play through it again. And that looks beautiful. So remember everyone, like, share, subscribe, comment down below if there's any part that you don't understand, and I'll make sure to put the project files in my video description. Even the project itself, I'll put it in my video description. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.